Okay, so how to get a trigonometric ratios in a coordinate, in a xy coordinate? That is what we saw. We have to draw a circle of unit radius. Okay, the radius is r. That is 1. The radius r is 1. So this is the origin. So then this is 1, and I am going to have one point here P that is equal to x comma y. If this was given, so then our trigonometric ratios sine theta is equal to what? Y cos theta equal to x, and tan theta equal to y by x, and similarly cosec theta equal to 1 by y, sec theta equal to 1 by x, and cot theta x by y. Okay, so the interesting, this is angle theta. Correct? So the interesting thing by this representation is you can always rotate the angle as much as you want and find out because all it needs is what we need, x and y point. Okay, so let us take, so we know this quadrants. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Let us try to find out what will be the sign of the trigonometric functions. This is a directed angle. Sign of the trigonometric functions at different quadrants. So in first quadrant, x and y both are positive. Okay, so all these quantities are positive. Okay, so in the first quadrant, all trigonometric ratios are positive. Okay, so let me take a point here. So this is the angle theta. Okay, instead of this angle, I am going to have. So now I have taken the point here. Okay, so for this angle, your x will be negative. Am I right? Okay, because this is the negative axis, but y is positive. So what all will be? So here, if you see, when I put x negative and y positive, what are things will be positive here and negative here?
Cos theta.
Will sin theta will be positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive. Cos theta?
Negative.
Tan theta?
Negative.
Cosec?
Positive.
Sec?
Negative.
Negative. And cot also positive. So here, what are the quantities will be positive? Sin theta and cosec theta. These two quantities will be positive because only x is negative. Sorry, only y, because whatever the term which is going containing x will be negative. So let us come for the next quadrant. That is your third quadrant. So in the third quadrant, what will we have? The point is here, and so this is the angle theta. Okay, the third quadrant, what happened? Your x is negative, p is going to be minus x minus y. Correct? So what all will be positive now?
So tan will be positive, cot will be positive.
Yeah, so all other things, because both will be negative. So here only your tan theta and the cot theta will be positive. Okay, and now let us take it to the fourth quadrant here. So in the fourth quadrant, what happens? Fourth quadrant, the point P, x is positive, y is negative. Correct? So then what happens? Here what will be? Only x is positive. So cos theta will be positive and sec theta will be positive. So here cos theta and sec theta are the positive. So this is the way your trigonometric sign of the trigonometric ratios, how they are, which are the quantities will be positive, negative from the different quadrant can be identified. Okay, one easy way to remember is, you know the story, right? All silver tea cups. All silver tea cups. In all, that is the first quadrant, everything is positive. Second quadrant, silver. Sin theta and the inverse of sin theta is positive. Third quadrant, T. Tan theta and the inverse of tan theta. And the fourth quadrant is cups. Cos theta and the inverse of cos theta are the positive. Remaining all the terms are negative. Okay, so this is the simple formula by which you can find out the sign of the trigonometric ratios corresponding to different directed angles. Okay, so now let us try, because till now we are considering only the positive directed angle, correct? So directed angle can be negative also. Let us try to see what would be the trigonometric ratios of a negative directed angle. I am going to remove all those things. These things. So how am I going to do is, let me draw this coordinate system. So let us have one, this is your theta, positive theta, okay, and this will have a point P that is equal to x comma y. Okay. Now I am going to draw a negative theta, the same angle but in negative direction. That means from here I will draw, correct? Theta. So let us try to find out how these trigonometric ratios are going to, for these two, theta and I minus, this is minus theta. Okay? So what we have, so now you say this will be, see, if I drop a perpendicular here, okay, again you see these are basically theta, 90, 90, so this will be same, so these are basically common sides, so basically what you have, this is a similar, this is a congruent triangles, right? So this length and this length has to be equal, correct? So only thing, if it is positive x, this is going to be minus x, and the y, x is y, sorry. So x is same, and the y will be positive y, this will be my negative y. Correct? So now, so then what happens? So let us try to find out sin theta. Sin theta will be what? What is sin theta, tell me?
Sin theta will be equal to y.
Y. What is sin minus theta?
Minus theta will be equal to negative y.
Minus y. Okay. Therefore, sin theta, sin of minus theta equal to minus y. Y is sin theta, right? Minus sin theta. Correct? So let us try to go for cos theta. Cos theta. What is cos theta? Cos theta equal to x. What will be the minus cos theta? Cos of minus theta? Sorry.
X.
Again x. So they both are same. Therefore, cos minus theta equal to cos theta. Let us go for tan theta. Tan theta will be equal to y by x. Tan of minus theta
Negative y by x.
minus y by x. So therefore, tan minus theta equal to minus tan theta. The same thing you can do it for inverse of it also. Cosec theta, sec theta. So it gives you. So for every negative angle, your cos will be always, cos of minus theta is always equal to cos theta. But on the other hand, your sine and tan will change the sign of it. Okay, for negative theta. So, and